What's good, Forex moguls? It's your boy, and I am back with another banger. So namhlanje I'm gonna show you bafethu our weekly events. Ngi excited again ngalama events this week. I'm not sure what's wonke ngizowatrade, mhlawumbe I'm not sure. But ke back. Okay. So ngolesibili mhla 7 half past 5 sithemba abantu abayemsebenzini ke bazobe sebe-ready lapho. Then masekuthi ke ngolesithathu interest rates, that's nice, interest rates. Then Friday it's NFP. So yeah, so this week we have 3 events. So market direction, hopefully wonke lawa sizowathola and make some cash. Ayikho into engithanda njengale ngama-fundamentals yo, they're just too dope. So nje make sure you subscribe, like, comment guys, ngoba I got so much in store for you guys, and nje we're gonna grow as a channel, and there's something nje engizoyiletha nje very soon that's gonna change your lives. So yeah, so peace.